camera unboxing. Yes, I got a new camera. Oh wait. We got the Avatar stuff. Sweet. Ooh, what's this? Saw warning. Read me first. Okay. Troubleshooting and all that stuff. There's the camera and some other stuff. Wait. It's not going to be a review, just an unboxing. Wow, look at the waterproof case. Yep, it's waterproof. Well, I mean waterproof case. Here's the thing with waterproof cases. I don't want to go underwater with these cameras because they have only waterproof case. So if you like the case comes off or something, you drop this in the water. Bye, camera. So yeah, that's the problem with those. Which is the end of this unboxing. Pretty short.